In this tutorial, you'll learn how to access eBooks and audiobooks using the Palace Project app. The Palace Project app gives you access to many popular eBooks and audiobooks through eRead Illinois and the NIU Libraries. First, download the Palace Project app from the Apple App Store for iOS devices or Google Play Store for Android devices. Open the Palace Project app, tap Find Your Library, and type or scroll to find Northern Illinois University to access our collection of popular ebooks and audiobooks. Browse available titles by selecting any of the headings to view additional or related items. Or search for a specific title, author, or subject by selecting the magnifying glass in the upper right corner of the screen. Select your desired title and click Borrow. If the book is currently unavailable, click Reserve to place a hold. After choosing to get or reserve a title, you'll be prompted to log in using your Z or AID and password. Once your book has been downloaded, click Read or Listen and enjoy. You can change the reading speed in audiobooks and the display options in eBooks to improve your listening or reading experience. Borrowed titles can easily be accessed by selecting My Books at the bottom of the screen. Your items will automatically be returned after the checkout period, but it's best to return them when you're done so that others can check them out. NIU Libraries has access to even more ebooks that are not available in the app. You can search for those using NIU Libraries Search and using the filters Available Online under Availability and Book under Resource Type. These books are generally intended for an academic audience, while ebooks in the Palace Project app are generally more like books you might find at the public library. If you need help, ask a librarian at the Research Help Desk or via chat on the library's website.